you listen to me? Don't be smart now. You gotta put that back until you finish your dinner. I'm warning you. You take one bite out of that, you're in big trouble. Don't you dare. Don't you dare do that. You hear me? Just hold it right there. You put that ice cream in your mouth, and you are in very, very, very big trouble. Don't you dare go anywhere beyond that. Put it down. I am not going to say it again. I am not going to say it again. I can't. You're no more game now. You are a spoiled, rotten little brat. And I'll tell you right now, I hate you back, you little shit.